Hello everyone, welcome to this book review video of Target Publications Triumph Mathematics for MSTCET 2019. Okay, so today we'll be going through the features of this particular book. Before we move ahead, let me tell you one thing. The Triumph series for MSTCET has been the flagship series of Target Publications since the inception of the company. And since then, it has been in the forefront in the market. Okay. So, CET 2019. Students, this examination will be held somewhere around May in the next year. Correct? And you may have already begun the preparations for the same. Right. Why I am saying so that I would say that this is an ideal time for the preparation. Why? You have already completed all the chapters, the entire syllabus of your standard 11th in the previous year. And by now, almost 50% of your 12th standard syllabus also may have got completed. Correct. Now, what you have to do is prepare the same chapters from entrance exam point of view, from MCQ point of view. Right? And for that, the Triumph series of Target publication will be an ideal guide. Okay. So let us see what are the features. Now, the CET 2009 syllabus includes certain selected chapters of standard 11th. Correct? So these are the chapters of standard 11th which are included in the CET 2019 syllabus. Okay. Apart from that, there are certain chapters of standard 11th mathematics which are essential for understanding the concepts of standard 12th. So you need to go through these chapters for understanding the concepts of standard 12th as well. Apart from that, all the chapters of standard 12th are also a part of your CET syllabus. You may have already started learning these chapters, correct? You may have attempted few tests also on these chapters. Now you have to understand these chapters from a MCQ point of view. What are the shortcuts? What are the small nuances you have to understand so that you can attempt the entrance examination and are able to solve the questions quickly with ease. Correct? So this is your 12th standard. These are the 12th standard chapters which are a part of your syllabus. Now, how will the Target Publications Triumph Mathematics help you in preparation of this vast syllabus? Correct? Let us see the features of this book. The first important feature is chapter at a glance. Chapter at a glance, every chapter begins with this particular section which gives you a complete overview of all the concepts which have been given in that particular chapter. All the concepts have been mentioned and a short description about the same has been given. After understanding this concept and once you think that now you are ready to attempt this or apply the same while for answering the questions, you need to know certain shortcuts which will help you answer these questions quickly and easily. For the same, we have introduced a separate section known as shortcuts which tell you how to directly arrive at answer. Okay. Again, students, first you need to go through the chapter at a glance properly so that you understand these shortcuts well. Okay. So, ready for attempting the questions? Let's go ahead. The next section comprises of the classical thinking. Classical thinking is that section where simple questions have been asked to strengthen your concepts. Okay. So once you go through this all the questions of classical thinking, you will be ready to attempt a bit tougher questions which are then asked in the critical thinking section. Critical thinking may have questions with multiple concepts, right, which will make you dig deeper into your conceptual knowledge and try and attempt the questions. Okay. So with classical thinking and critical thinking, you are completely ready for attempting your CET examination. However, to give you an actual picture of what are the questions asked in various competitive examinations, we have introduced a third section which is known as competitive thinking. We have taken questions from various competitive examinations from throughout India, and those questions which are relevant to your CET syllabus have been included in our book. Some of the examinations whose questions we have included in our book are the Maharashtra CET known as MST CET, the Gujarat CET, the Karnataka CET, Assam Engineering Entrance Examination, Assam CE, the West Bengal JE, the West Bengal Engineering Entrance Examination, the Kerala Engineering entrance examination KEAM, the Bihar examination BCECE, the Tamil Nadu examination, the Andhra Pradesh entrance examination, as well as JEE main. So you see a variety of examinations, the questions from variety of entrance examinations have been included in our book. Obviously these questions are relevant to your syllabus, so those relevant questions have been included to give you a feeling, actual understanding of what are the questions asked in the examination and make you prepare for CET. Now obviously answers to all these questions have been given in a answer key at the end of the section. Now you have completely understood the chapter, you have attempted various questions from various different sections which I have just explained. To test how much knowledge you have retained and how much you can put back in the answer, how quickly you can answer, we have given a short evaluation test. Okay, this tests your understanding of that particular chapter and tells you whether you are ready with that particular chapter for the examination. In the same manner, you have to go through each and every chapter, test your knowledge with the evaluation test and make ready that particular chapter for the entrance examination. Once all the chapters are done, you need to test whether you are actually ready for examination with the entire syllabus. For the same, we have included model question papers at the end of the book. Okay, 2 model question papers have been included at the end of the book for making you understand how the CET would be and giving you an actual feel of the examination. Okay, so this you will be attempting after you have gone through the entire book, correct? Now while you are preparing or going through the entire book, while you are solving so many MCQs, obviously you required the solutions for the questions in the classical, critical or the competitive thinking section, right? The hints or the solutions or the hints to the relevant questions. When I say relevant, the important questions which require a written short solution, the hints to those relevant questions have been uploaded on our website in a downloadable format. To access the same, you need to scan the QR code given on the first page of our Triumph Mathematics book. Okay, so this is the QR code. With the help of your mobile, you can scan the QR code, follow the link which comes thereby, and you will be able to actually download the solution, the hints to the relevant questions. Okay, so these are the hints to the relevant questions. Again, the hints are not complete solutions to that mathematical problem. Let me tell you friends, the hints are short, quick solution which will help you arrive at the answer quickly. After going through the shortcuts, after going through the chapter at a glance, these hints will help you arrive at the answer quickly and select the appropriate option for the MCQs in your CET examination. So completely ready for CET 2019 examination, correct? I hope that this book hence will be a perfect guide, a perfect helping friend for your MST CET 2019 examination, right? Now, we have also prepared videos on concepts about various topics or concepts of various subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, etc. And you may see these videos for understanding those concepts and strengthening your concepts. Okay, now these videos, to get these videos, to see these videos, please do subscribe our channel on YouTube. Okay, and you can get to see all the videos. Also, to buy your favorite target publication books, please click on the link given below. Okay, I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much.